Can this method be adapted for recharging butane, propane, or other pressurized fuel cans? No, do not attempt it. The risks are fundamentally different and far greater. Aerosol recharge techniques rely on matching propellant type, pressure, and container rating while controlling temperature and venting, which can work for air or inert gas propellants but not for flammable fuels. For fuel-based cans, the chemical flammability, lower ignition energy, and different vapor pressure curves mean a small leak or spark can cause fire or explosion, so never practice improvised refilling at home. If you must handle pressurized fuel cylinders, use only purpose-built refill stations and devices rated and certified for that specific fuel and vessel size, and always follow the manufacturer guidelines for maximum fill levels and temperature limits. When assessing compatibility, look at dew point, vapor pressure at expected temperatures, and material compatibility of seals and valves, because some elastomers swell or degrade with hydrocarbon exposure. Use a calibrated pressure gauge and an approved overpressure relief device when working with any pressurized container. Do not rely on visual inspection alone. If you encounter unexpected pressure rise, remove the container to a safe outdoor area and allow it to cool before attempting any intervention. Common mistakes include assuming all pressurized cans are interchangeable, which leads to overpressurization and catastrophic failure. Always match container rating and propellant properties before considering any transfer. Another frequent error is using household tools or improvised fittings, which can produce leaks and static sparks. Use only certified fittings and grounded equipment to prevent ignition. A third issue is ignoring ambient temperature effects, since filling at high temperature can yield dangerously high pressures as the container warms. Always fill at the recommended temperature and leave adequate headspace for thermal expansion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community discussion area where we share experiences, ask questions, and learn practical safety practices related to home projects. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with homeowners and build visibility through community interaction.